Morning, everyone. So Qbit Technologies. Qbit Technologies is a VR AR startup. We've been working quite a long time in this space, and we are focused on the most boring stuff that is out there in VR, which is essentially VR for enterprise use. So we're trying to develop a set of tools and products that companies are going to use, leverage in VR to do their business. So I'm going to go deeper into the products in a second. First of all, about us and about the team. So I've been working in this space for 11 years now. VR is on the media and everybody's talking about it, but it's really an old thing. The first flight simulator was actually built in 1929. So VR really, like the technology that's behind VR was really developed in the 60s. So it's been out there for a while. And 11 years ago, I started working on a project with Philip Rosedale. It was called Second Life. I'm sure some of you have heard of it. And we began this experience together. And today, he's one of the advisors in our company, as well as Michael Min, who is the guy who has done some of the VR AR effects in movies like Forrest Gump, Men in Black, and other blockbusters from Hollywood. Then we have, of course, some other advisors, but the time is limited, so I'll go to our team is international. We're based in between here, Europe, but we have development teams all around the world in South America, India, and Eastern Europe. So what we're doing is we're developing, as I was mentioning before, an ecosystem of products for enterprise use. And we identified that the first verticals where VR is going to be applied in companies and used by companies are the following. E-commerce, so the ability to have a 3D store where to move inside and experience products and services in 3D. Customer services through an avatar, okay, obviously backed up with AI and deep learning. Excuse me. Then we have VR training. So training is one of the first verticals where companies used VR and found it to be really effective. The avatar, the figure of the avatar and everything that's around it, so the ability to scan people and have a digital model of people where you can try clothes and products on and create an ecosystem around our digital identity in 3D. Then we have VR conferencing, what we feel is going to be the online conferencing tools of the future in 3D rooms with 3D objects and 3D interaction. And what we call, geographical simulations, so the ability to apply VR to anything that is actually in reality, so for tourism or urban planning and things like this. So each of our verticals has an independent identity and sustainability, and obviously we are horizontally reusing the elements that we develop for one vertical into another vertical. Our two main strategic partners are High Fidelity. It's a San Francisco-based company. It's a platform to do collaborative VR environments online. And with them, we're actually working on a concept of a 3D web. So the future of web domains will be, in our opinion, 3D spaces that you open up, but the same way you open up a 2D website today, that will be in 3D in the future. Now, the Institute for the Future is a research institute based in Palo Alto. We research on the future, as the name says, and I'm actually a research affiliate of this nonprofit institution. So this is the ecosystem of product. We have some traction. I mean, we are a very small company. So as you see, we have a small team. We're at the very beginning. But we are beginning to have some tractions and some good international clients that are beginning to adopt and experiment with our solutions. We generally start with a pilot project for them and then plan for something bigger. So some of the main clients, you can see the duty-free, international biggest travel retailer. Swiss Post, Arma Swiss, USPS, here in the PwC. So I essentially try to tell you all the things that make us a little different from other VR companies. As you may have seen, most VR companies are active in the entertainment business. As I said, we're focusing more on business stuff. Okay. So we're looking to raise more capital right now. We're looking to raise a total of 5 million in the next couple of years in 2 rounds. First one would be 1.5 million to help us finish the development of some of the products that I've shown you. And the rest is going to be used to go to market internationally. Thank you very much.